Here we are on May 11, 2021, watching the little PC-12 circle around the Arizona Auditing Coliseum. I'll move in a little bit closer where you can see him circling. The Coliseum is right here. This flight originated out of Deer Valley. As previously, it's a PC-12 Pilatus. As you can see, there's no information on the screen as to who owns it, but other sources have informed us that it belongs to the police department in Phoenix. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see the environments that This place right here is the Coliseum, where you see the cursor circling around. And right where you see the PC-12 circling now is where there's a cluster of cell towers. This area over here, right in this area, there's a lot of cell towers there. There's a whole cluster over here as well, where he's at. Presently, the recorded time on the screen is 2200 Universal Time Coordinated. And you subtract 6 hours to get local time. Now you see him moving up north. He's probably getting ready to land back at Deer Valley. That's his point of origin. Yep, he just landed at Deer Valley. That's where the Phoenix police keep all of their aircraft, or a lot of them. So, seems like every day they take a little time to surveil the Coliseum area. Wonder what they're looking for or what they're afraid of.